Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add freeze effect in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to project bin settings, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. After that we need to cut our video on 3 parts. So I select this one option, it is razor tool, and I will click somewhere here and somewhere here. Now I press escape button to uncheck this option, and I have here 3 parts of video. For example, if I want to freeze this part of video, I need to select it and I need to go to Effects tab. Now on search field I need to type freeze, and here we have motion freeze. We need to drag and drop this effect to this part of video, and after that it will be successfully added to this part. You will see here this window. Of course, we can modify the freeze effect here. We can check the option freeze before or freeze after, everything depends on your preferences. So now let's check how it works, Let's play this video, and how you see, in the moment it will be freezed, How you see it is freezed now, and we will need to wait a few seconds, and after that it will be unfreezed because the first and the last part is not freezed, So in this way you can freeze part of video in Kdenlive. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.